Class 10th. Today I am going to start with this topic, common defects of the eye, in chapter number 11, the sense organs. In your syllabus, as you know, two sense organs, that is eye and ear. In previous video we studied about the accommodation, dark and light accommodation of vision, and now today I am going to start with this common defect of the eye. Now here in your syllabus there are 8 type of defects, but 2 basically are important. First defect is near or short. Near or short sightedness. Or also called myopia. In simple scientific language it is called myopia. Okay, myopia, a near or short sightedness. Okay, what happened here? See, the image is formed in the front of the retina. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, image जो form होती है in the front of, suppose this is lens and this one is retina. This is retina. This is lens and this one retina. तो यहाँ से this one rays जा रही है. This is light rays. This one is light rays. Okay. यहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म होना चाहिए, पर यहाँ पे इमेज ऑन द रेटिना ना फॉर्म होके इन द फ्रंट ऑफ रेटिना इमेज फॉर्म होती है. दिस डिफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज near or short sightedness or myopia. Here the image is formed in the front of the retina. This one is retina, but image is formed here only. So this type of defect is called myopia or near sightedness. Here image formed in the front of the retina. Okay, now how you rectify this type of defect from the eyes? That is use the concave lens. Okay, when you use this lens, this is a concave lens and this one is lens and this one is retina. Okay, light passes from here and image form on retina. ठीक है, image कहाँ बनेगी? retina पे image बन रहा है. That is rectified by the use of concave lens. Okay, the concave lens diverges the light rays. As a result, the image is now formed on the retina. What is the function of this concave lens? Lens diverge the light rays, and image form on retina, and this defect is called myopia. यहाँ पे पहले ही इमेज फॉर्म हो जाती है, रेटिना पे बननी चाहिए पर रेटिना से पहले ही बन जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड मायोपिया. और उसको हम रेक्टिफाई कैसे करेंगे? बाय द यूज ऑफ दिस कॉनकेव लेंस. जब आप इसको डाइवर्ज कर देगा लाइट रेज को और इमेज कहाँ फॉर्म होगी? ऑन द रेटिना. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड डिफेक्ट, दैट इज correction of myopia. The defect can be corrected by the suitable concave or diverging lens which causes the light rays to diverge before they strike the lens of the skin. Most of your classmates using specs may be suffering from myopia. Power of glasses use is mentioned in minus. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो यूज करते हैं तो पावर किस में आती है? माइनस में आती है इन दिस केस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, द टू पॉसिबल रीजन आर. यहाँ पे 2 पॉसिबल रीजन है मायोपिया के. फर्स्ट रीजन इज द आई बॉल इज लेंथेड. ओके, eyeball lengthened and from front to back. ठीक है, इसका 2 रीजन है. सेकेंड रीजन, द लेंस इज टू curved. Okay, now this Myopia or nearsightedness is a condition in which the near object can be seen clearly while the distant object appear blurred. ठीक है, पास की चीजें तो अच्छी दिखाई देती हैं लेकिन दूर की चीजें हमें ब्लर दिखाई देती हैं in this defect. Okay, in it the image is distant object from in the front of the retina. The reason of myopia, two reasons है. myopia के दो तरीके से कॉज है. कैसे हो सकती है? अगर आपका आई बॉल का लेंथ बड़ा है फ्रॉम फ्रंट टू बैक और लेंस अगर आपका टू कर्व्ड है तो मे इट कॉज लीड टू मायोपिया. ठीक है, इसमें जो आई साइड होती है वो माइनस में होती है. Correction, as you know, by the use of this concave lens. What is the function of this concave lens or diverging lens? Because it diverging the light rays, okay, before they strike on the lens of the eye. Now second one, that is heteromyopia. Hyperopia or long sightedness. Okay, long sightedness, what happened here? This is lens and this is retina. ठीक है, आई से लेंस से गया रेस और रेटिना पे ना फॉर्म होके रेटिना के बाहर इमेज फॉर्म होती है. हेयर back side of the retina, this is image, this is image. This condition is called long sightedness or hyperopia. Okay, for a long sightedness hyperopia, old term hypermetropia. old term इसको क्या बोलते हैं? hypermetropia. in exam, ठीक है, कुछ भी आ सकता है. hypermetropia, hyperopia, long sightedness, same. ठीक है, it is the old one, hypermetropia. It is a condition in which there is a difficulty in seeing near object. यहाँ पे हम पास की चीजें नहीं देख पाते हैं लेकिन दूर की चीजें हमें साफ दिखाई देती हैं. ठीक है, हो सकता है आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स होंगे जिनको ब्लैक बोर्ड आपका अच्छे से दिखाई देता है. ब्लैक बोर्ड पे जो लिखा होता है दे कैन इजिली रीड, लेकिन उनको पास क्या जब वो बुक रीड करते हैं दे आर नॉट एबल टू रीड प्रॉपरली. ओके, that is the condition of this hyperopia. Okay, in which there is a difficulty in seeing near object. The image of the near object falls behind the retina. ठीक है, image कहाँ बनती है? Behind the retina. Okay, and इसको रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए हम कौन सा लेंस यूज करेंगे? दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स, दिस इज आई लेंस एंड दिस इज रेटिना एंड कॉन्वेक्स लेंस यूज करेंगे. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस क्या करेगा? इसको यहाँ पे इमेज बनाएगा. ओके, दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स, इसको रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए. ओके, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस कन्वर्जेस द लाइट रेज. एज द रिजल्ट द इमेज नाउ इज नाउ फॉर्म ऑन द रेटिना. इमेज यहाँ बनेगा, दैट इज इमेज. ओके, यहाँ पे जो डिफेक्ट होता है वहाँ पे कौन सा साइन होता है? दैट इज प्लस. लेकिन उसमें दैट इज मायोपिया में हम किसे डिनोट करते हैं? माइनस में पावर होती है आई साइड की, लेकिन यहाँ पे पावर किस में होगी? प्लस में होगी. ओके, नाउ द डिफेक्ट रिजल्ट ऑन द अकाउंट ऑफ आइदर शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ द आई बॉल. यहाँ पे क्यों, क्या रीजन है डिफेक्ट के? शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ the eyeball and the lens is too flat, and lens is too flat, is too flat. Okay, now next one, astigmatism, third disease. Third disease, that is astigmatism. What is this astigmatism? Is a defect in which some part of an object are seen in focus while others are blurred. सपोज अगर आप ये कोई चीज देख रहे हैं तो इसमें जो सेंटर पार्ट है ये तो आपको अच्छा से दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन ये साइड का पार्ट आपको क्या दिखाई देता है, ब्लर दिखाई देता है. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्टिमेटिज्म. While others part is blur, it arises due to the uneven curvature of the cornea. Why it is caused? Due to the uneven curvature of the cornea. Of the cornea. Okay, and it arises due to the uneven curvature of the cornea. This is corrected by the cylindrical lenses. It is corrected by the cylindrical lenses. Okay, now fourth one, presbyopia. Presbyopia, what is this? Is a condition affecting the older people. ठीक है, ओल्डर पीपल में ज़्यादा होती है ये कंडीशन. एंड वी कैन नॉट सी नियर ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली. वी कैन नॉट सी नियर ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली. नियर ऑब्जेक्ट clearly, and their lens loses flexibility resulting in a kind of far-sightedness. This again is corrected by the convex lens. ये होता क्यों है? Due to the their lens losses flexibility. Lens losses flexibility. लेंस की जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होती है वो खत्म हो जाती है. ability, that's why it occur. Okay, हम इसको करेक्ट कैसे करेंगे? by the use of convex lens. Convex lens. Okay, now fifth one, that is cataract. Fifth one is cataract. Cataract is a condition in which the lens turn opaque. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Lens turns opaque. Lens turn opaque and the vision is cut down, or even to total blindness. It can be corrected by surgically removing the lens. Corrected by surgically removing the lens. Removing the lens, and by using specs with highly convex lenses compensating for the missing lens, and or in a newer technique a small plastic lens is implanted behind or in front of the iris. ठीक है, now नई techniques आ गई हैं surgically. Now we use small plastic lenses is implanted behind or in front of the iris. Now next one is near night blindness. Night blindness is a condition in which a person feels difficulty in seeing in a dim light. ठीक है, dim light में person नहीं देख पाता है properly. That is why it's called night blindness, as during the night. This is due to the non-formation of the pigment visual purple. क्यों होता है? नॉन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पिगमेंट विजुअल पर्पल. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द रॉड. rhodopsin means rhodopsin. रॉड में क्या होता है? विजुअल पर्पल मीन्स rhodopsin. Okay, only rod function in dim light, and in the absence of the pigment they cannot function. This is usually due to deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A की deficiency से होता है night blindness, which is required for the synthesis of the pigment. क्यों vitamin A required होता है for the synthesis of this visual purple or rhodopsin, so that ये बनता नहीं है तो ये pigment भी नहीं बनता and causes night blindness. Now seventh one is a color blindness. Color blindness. Okay, now in this color blindness, some people by birth cannot discriminate between the certain colors such as a red and green. कौन से कलर में नहीं कर पाते हैं? That is red and green, and this is due to the genetic defect. The males mostly suffer from this defect, whereas it is rarely occurring females. Okay, mostly occurring males, but in sometimes also occur in female. It's not कि नहीं होता है. Now next is squint. Okay, next one, squint. Eighth one, squint. Okay. In this defect, the two eyes somewhat converge, leading to what is called cross eye. An opposite condition appears when they diverge, and it is called wide eye. It is called wide eye. ठीक है? Both conditions may cause double vision or diplopia. Surgery and suitable exercise can correct these defects. Squint. Okay. Now here are some progress check in your book. See this one. State the function of the, do it in your notebook. State the function of the following: eyelid, eyelashes, tear, iris, ciliary muscle. Write the proper sequence of the name of the all part of the eye through in which the light rays coming from conjunctiva, वहाँ से enter कराना है, और जहाँ तक image बनती है that is retina. Name the following place of the best vision on the retina of the eye, that is yellow spot. No vision, blind spot. The kind of retinal cell sensitive to dim light, that is rod or cone. Write down. The circular opening closing by iris. The fibers which collectively hold the lens in position. Capacity of the eye to focus at different distances. The kind of lens required to correct nearsightedness. The layer of the wall of the eyeball that correspond to the black lining in the box of the camera. Okay. Which give the reason. Medicine dropped in the eye flows down into the nose. A person from bright sunlight outside enters a poorly lit room and feels blinded for a short while. Do it in your notebook. If you have any queries, please ask. Thank you.